When you need to drive a heavy vehicle on a surface you can't mess up, you'll want a set of ground protection pads. Ground protection pads can be used to create a temporary pathway on lawns, dirt, or any other delicate surface you need to protect. The Mytee product's ground protection pads are constructed from heavy-duty polyethylene and can easily withstand 60 tons or a whopping 120,000 pounds of force. They feature a diamond pattern tread on top and are smooth on the bottom. Each pad is 4 feet wide and 8 feet long. They are also a ½ inch thick. We offer them in 12-piece bundles. We include two-way locking connectors so you can easily attach your pads to create a large surface for vehicles and heavy machinery to drive on. Let's step outside and show you how to use some ground protection pads. First, place your ground protection pads on the surface you need to work on. Make sure you place enough so you have ample room to drive on. Once you've placed your pads, it's time to connect them together securely. Identify where your pads meet. That is where you'll want to place the connector. The connector consists of a bottom and top half. Place the bottom half under the ground protection pad and line it up with the pad's cutouts. Now take the top half and line them up with the bottom connector. Screw in the included bolt to lock the connector pieces together. Once you've connected each pad, you can drive a vehicle under them without worrying about destroying the ground below. As you can see, the ground protection pads are stable, smooth, and durable. With a crush rating of 240 psi, you don't have to worry about them breaking under the weight of your vehicle. As you can see, it will bend, however it will not break even under tremendous pressure. Ground protection pads from Mytee products are the perfect option for protecting yards, dirt, or any other delicate surface you cannot mess up. Simply lay down your ground protection pads, complete your work, and get out without leaving a trace. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase your strong, durable, and reliable ground protection pads today.